In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating channels, sending messages, setting reminders, attaching content, scheduling posts, and exploring app and admin options, all without skipping a beat. First, open Slack in your browser or desktop app and land in your workspace. On the left, expand the public section to reveal public channels. These are open spaces where anyone in the workspace can join. Select a channel to work in. I'll use a simple test channel for this walkthrough. Once you're inside, click into the message box at the bottom to get ready to type. Let's start with one of the most useful productivity tools, reminders. In the message field, type remind. Slack will show a helpful hint that outlines the format. Hatch channel. What? When? That means you can choose the audience, the content of the reminder, and the time. Select that format hint so you can see the structure clearly, then complete the command. For example, type remind hatch all test meeting tomorrow 9 a.m. Slack will show a confirmation to set up a reminder for this channel at the specified time. Click to confirm. You'll see a note appear that confirms the reminder, including the time based on your workspace's time zone. If you work with teammates across regions, it's smart to double check that time zone so everyone's aligned. Next, it's handy to know who's in the channel. Open the member list from the top area of the channel, then choose members to view the full roster. This is great for confirming who will see your messages and whether you need to invite anyone else. When you're done, close the panel using the X so you're back to the main conversation. Now let's attach content. Click the paperclip or attach icon next to the message field. From here, you have several powerful options. Choose Canvas to create or share a living document right in Slack, perfect for meeting notes, project briefs, or checklists. Add a list if you want a simple structured to-do format your team can follow. You can also pick recent file to quickly share something you've worked on lately without hunting through folders. Beyond documents, Slack lets you capture updates directly. Select record video clip to share a short update with screen or camera, or pick record audio clip for a quick voice note. These are great for asynchronous communication. Just be mindful of your workspace's recording permissions and any company policies. Back in the message box, type a short message. I'll use a simple test for demonstration. Instead of sending it immediately, click the schedule for later option beside the send button. You'll see preset times like tomorrow at 9 o'clock a.m. Click that to schedule the message. To explore more choices, open the scheduler again and note options such as Monday at 9 o'clock a.m. You can pick what fits your workflow. Remember, you can always edit or cancel a scheduled message if plans change. If you have access to administrative tools, open the admin area from the top left workspace controls and choose Edit Workspace. Here you'll find targeted management sections. For example, Manage Salesforce Organizations and Manage Agentforce are places where admins connect and configure those integrations. You can also go to Manage Members to handle invitations, roles, and access, which helps keep your workspace organized and secure. When you're ready to extend Slack's capabilities, open Apps and Workflows. This is your hub for automations and app connections. Within App Management, check installed apps to see what's already active in your workspace and confirm permissions or settings. Then look at recommended apps for curated picks that typically help with project management, calendars, documents, and more. To keep exploring, click Browse to open the Slack Marketplace, where you can discover a wide range of integrations. Each app page outlines what data it can access and what it does, so review that carefully before installing. If you're not an admin, you can request approval from someone who is. That's it. Navigating channels, setting reminders, sharing rich content, scheduling messages, and exploring apps all come together to make Slack a powerful collaboration hub. Practice these steps in a test channel, and you'll be ready to use them in your day-to-day work.